Hello everybody. Today I am explaining my ISC1 of earthquake resistant structures. My name is Ajay Eknath Sanke from class BTech Civil, batch B1, roll number 415. Topic structural level retrofitting techniques for reinforced structure. Introduction. Structural retrofitting means retrofitting involves strengthening existing structures to improve performance, safety, and durability, especially during seismic events such as earthquake. Then objectives of structural retrofitting: to improve the structural integrity and load bearing capacity of an entire building. Third is common application of structural retrofitting: earthquake prone areas, heritage building preservation, load redistribution in asymmetrical structures. Now moving to the main point, structural level retrofitting methods. First is confinement with RC elements, second is confinement with steel elements, third is adding reinforcement to masonry walls, fourth connection between intersecting walls, fifth connection between walls and floors, sixth pre-tracing, seven external binding or jacketing, eight inserting new walls. Now we discuss one by one all 8 methods. First is confinement with reinforced concrete elements, means RC elements. Purpose of it is to convert existing masonry walls into confined masonry to increase their load bearing capacity and ductility. And we apply it by RC elements are added around or along the length of walls, creating a truss structure. This transforms brittle non-ductile masonry into a more flexible system. Means adding new RC elements along the length or walls or along the breadth, we can say we are giving it support like structure. Advantages: to improve the building seismic resistance and strength. In the figure you can see the existing RC tied beams and existing masonry walls. We have added two new vertical RC columns uh, along the both sides of the wall. Also we can see in around masonry wall also new RC vertical tied columns. Like this we can give the uh, RC elements along the length of wall. Now confinement with steel elements. Purpose is to fast and efficient retrofitting method, ideal for emergency situations. When emergency situation is arrived, then these steel elements are, we can apply it easily and very fastly. Means how we apply it is by using steel sections are placed on both sides of the wall and attached to the roof, reinforcing the wall vertically. Advantages: increase the out of plane strength of the wall and can be quickly installed. This is the main advantage, which is quickly installed. We can see in the figure steel profiles, and above that we have bored holes, and this steel tie means this profile we can give support to the wall by adding these two steel elements along the wall, we can see. Now adding reinforcement to masonry walls. Main purpose is to enhance the flexural and shear capacity of masonry walls through the insertion of reinforcements, and it has some methods. That is, first is side reinforcement, means cutting vertical slots into walls, inserting reinforcement and filling slot with grout. And second is center coring, inserting reinforcement through vertical cores in the middle of walls, causing minimal disruption. Then third is external reinforcement, means reinforcement added to wall faces with shotcrete or reinforced concrete. In the figure we can see the machinery wall, then reinforcement. Now here roof diaphragm, then confined infill concrete footing, reinforced grouted cores we have shown in middle, then wall elevation we have shown on backside, steel reinforcement grouted core, then N reinforced concrete, then dowel epoxy grouted in drill holes, then masonry wall. Means we can use in three types, means holding the drilling the holes, or we can say the uh, uh, placing front of the wall and grouting it, means it has different types. Now strengthening intersecting walls, and its main problem is corners and intersections are the most vulnerable part of a building during an earthquake. Means mostly during the earthquake, the corner parts should be in a stable position. If corner gets inclined or tilted, then wall gets means get damaged or get fallen or turn out. So by for this problem, the solution is given: reinforced and rebar cracks at wall intersections through grouting and stitching techniques improve structural resilience. Means wall intersections, near the wall intersections we have using the grouting and stitching techniques, means improving structural resilience in that corners. You can see here in the figure, small steel bars are used, or here brickwork transverse walls, means in corner we are given some support by using brick or stone, or saving element steel rod, means giving support at near the corner, due to which it resists seismic loads or earthquake loads. Strengthening wall to floor and roof connections. In this, uh, purpose is to ensuring a strong connection between walls and floors or roofs is critical for seismic performance. Means strong connection should be there for between walls and floors. By that only it can be resisted by seismic, can resist the resistance, can resist the effect of seismic events, and it can be given by adequate interconnections help in the distribution of seismic forces, ensuring the building behaves as a single unit under stresses. You can see in the figure, existing wall, new floor, slab topping with reinforcement, then prefab slab units, RC band, then key connection, new floor to existing wall about 3 meter, then grooves cut in wall. In the figure you can see the numbers, and its number has been elaborated in the below the figure. Then how the bars are be placed also shown in the figure, means like a corner, and then it is divided, means extended more for the both the sides, and it may be 14 2 diameter 14 bars or like this. Now pre-tracing masonry walls. Main purpose is to strengthen and stabilize walls by introducing external forces that compress and holds the structure together. And it is given by using steel rods are installed on both sides of the wall and tightened with the turnbuckles, applying a pre-trace force. Advantages is increases lateral strength and wall stability. Means steel rods for pre-tracing, anchor plates, means using uh, means steel rods are used for this in the both sides, as shown in the figure, and it gives the uh, wall with tightened with turnbuckles, and due to this we can give it a pre-trace force on it. Now external binding or jacketing. Main purpose is to reinforce or repair severely damaged masonry walls. Apply a reinforced cement or ferro cement jacket to one or both sides of the wall. This improves lateral resistance and overall structural integrity. Mainly material used is reinforced concrete, ferro cement, or wire fabrics like FRP materials, means fiber reinforced particles. You can see in the figure that wire mesh can be used, or cement mortar jacketing, or board holes also shown in the as previous we have seen like that only. By reinforcement cage is also shown side, means it gives a chase like structure in inside than outside. By this thus it gets more support to the wall for for getting protection, or we can say uh, stability from the seismic events. Now inserting new walls for structural strength. Main purpose is to add new walls to correct load distribution and address asymmetry in the building. It is given by ensuring a strong connection between the new and old walls. Types of connections. T section. New wall connects perpendicularly to the existing wall. Corner section. Strengthens a corner connection between new and existing walls. You can see the new wall is constructed by uh, perpendicular to the main wall, means existing old wall is 1, means one number has been shown to that wall. New wall is the 2 number that has been perpendicular to it, and by like this the structure is been built in this way. And thank you for watching my video.